Hello everybody and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to prepare delicious crepe. We will need 2 eggs, half cup of flour, I have unbleached all-purpose flour, teaspoon of sugar, just a small pinch of salt, a cup of milk, tablespoon of oil, I am using canola oil. Pinch of salt, sugar, now we add the flour, I do this to measure exactly. Let's mix well everything. Now we will add gradually milk. Whisk well. Now everything is well mixed, we continue adding milk. Now it's ready, the batter is ready, and we add our tablespoon of oil and we wait for 20 minutes and begin frying them. Now we are ready to begin frying. I usually use a little bit more than medium heat. So skillet is hot. We take butter and spread it this way. We don't need to count seconds to know when it's ready. We have to observe. So we see that it began like bubbling and here it turning brown. So we try the edges if they go off easily, so we can turn it. Spread it again. To prepare crepe we need non-stick skillet. On the first side it's a little bit longer, on the second side it takes less. If you put butter and you see that it's not enough, you can add a little bit. Just spread it evenly. And so we continue until we finish. These ingredients give us 10 to 11 crepes. I like to put a little butter, but it's up to you, it's to your taste. Try them with blueberries, and the maple syrup. For chocolate sauce, use chocolate chips, little bit of milk. And on very low heat, we just melt them. Fresh blueberries and maple syrup or chocolate sauce, the topping is up to you. Enjoy your meal. Bye bye.